Hi everyone! Today you join us with our friends Ali.
Hi.
And Chris, who's hiding in the background there, because we have come to Campervan Carpets. We're here to collect our new carpet.
Very exciting.
Very exciting day. And we've come down the garden to the workshop, and this is what I'm really excited about. It's a beautiful building, and look at that.
Just amazing. And we're going to give you a quick tour around, aren't we?
Oh yes.
Yeah?
Yeah, there are so many carpets in here, so many different colours, and the designs, it's amazing. So yeah, come on in.
Let's have a look.
Look at this.
Oh,
it's like a mecca of
it's
carpets.
the smell. It's the smell. I don't know whether that's carpet or glue.
It's probably a bit of both, isn't it? Look at this organisation. I'm loving it.
We're going to have a bit of a tour of this in a minute, aren't we?
We are.
Right.
Wow.
It's a fun place to work, isn't it?
God, you must have spent some hours in here.
Yeah.
Yes. So many.
Lots of samples. Look at all these. Lots and lots of different things. We've got vans, we've got a VW signs, we've got flowers, peace signs, hearts.
These are amazing. Those are just right size for our plates at home. I think we should have a set of 6 for our placemats on our dining table. Or is that going over the top? Should we have Volkswagen logo placemats at home?
It is a bit VW.
That might be it. Yeah.
Everywhere you look.
Oh look, like it's just pre-cut VW logos everywhere.
Yes, well these are the ones that have been cut out. So we've made them recently. I've just done 4 in the last few days, and yeah, that's the grey that gets cut out, and then that gets replaced with the colour. So I think we've done a couple with the royal blue. So that's
right, so that was.
But I can't quite part with it because I've cut it out, and I think, well, I can't throw. It's you know, somebody might want a dark one with a light grey one.
They
so
might.
I can just put it in. It's a bit like a
Yeah.
puzzle.
Yeah. No, it's a good idea.
Yes, it's this is a bit tidier. I knew you were coming. We did have a quick tidy because it was kind of stuff everywhere.
I think Chris might be about to make his first appearance here. Look, with the template.
Here he is. Hello.
He does
These are templates for some of the carpets, which you might see in the carpets a bit later.
Brilliant.
Fantastic.
Yeah, he does. I give him the designs drawn out, and he just says to me, "I've got to do that on a little sword." So he's really good at it now. He's really good.
So when
Rio.
we've got another
Rio.
friend as well.
Hello.
So it's all pretty manual, isn't it? What you do. So you're not using machines to cut things out or anything like that. It's all.
No. We basically we get the main grey carpet, and then we do it all on the reverse. So we get the design. We cut it into the right size for different campers, and then we have to cut it out of like the colour or whatever, and then cut it also. So you cut it out twice, and then you just sort of swap the bits over. So it's a little bit like a puzzle. But yeah, so sometimes you forget your friend.
I've got a new friend.
You forget that you have to do it on the reverse side. So a couple of times I have a break over Christmas, or we've been off camping and had a break, and then you come back and I'm merrily away, and then I turn it over and I go, oh, I forgot to reverse it now. Now it's on the wrong side. So yeah, sometimes you have to really kind of think. Actually, I want, especially people that have the centre bit. Sometimes they want their design to like paw prints or whatever to go up the carpet and then carry on around the centrepiece.
Cool.
Yeah, not thought about that. Yeah,
so you have to kind of think about where it's going. And then like last time I'm doing one for a lady in Sweden, and suddenly thought, oh gosh, I've done her centrepiece, but she's going to be obviously the other side, so I have to quickly reverse it, and you have to template it differently because we're a left hand or right hand drive.
Yeah.
But yeah, it's all good fun.
And you've got some fantastic looking logos here that you're doing. So that's a Quicksilver one, is it?
That is a Quicksilver one.
Yeah.
That was our hexagon wave.
Yeah.
These are just in the making. What's this one? An animal sort of sign.
Yeah.
They were the ones from our Poppy, which we don't have anymore. We miss her. And this one here.
Is.
That's very popular.
Okay.
I don't know.
Get him out.
He goes from not wanting to be in it.
And this type of thing.
Yeah, there's so many different bits of logo and clip art that you use, aren't there, for these? Just
Yes,
fantastic.
I mean, some people do, they see what we've done and then they get a little bit adventurous, and sometimes they'll ask for all sorts of things, and I'm thinking, well, you know, I'm cutting this into carpet, and they go, oh, you know, they think that we're printing them, but...
So is there anything you can't do, or what's really difficult
Lots.
for you? Right.
Yes, there's lots. I do tend to guide people towards sort of clip art. I say if they want a cyclist or something, I'll say if you can, you know, if it's look at a silhouette of a clip art, then basically we can do it. And sometimes I have to modify it a little bit, but yeah, we'll give it a go. I don't promise that we can do an amazing job. I'm happy to give things a go, and then. But yeah, most people would sort of see some of our designs and then they go, oh, actually, can I have that design but with that edging, or can I have the design there? And they feel like they're sort of designing it themselves, you know. And it's kind of nice, isn't it? Sort of a fun thing to do, and you know what colour scheme of bunting and stuff you've got, and you want it to
it's very
with
personal,
that.
isn't it? That's the thing I love about these carpets. You can just personalise them to your taste in the van, kind of exterior colour, interior colours and everything, and the edging and everything is really funky as well.
And who doesn't like designing stuff?
I like the funky edging.
Yeah,
it's
my
rainbow
favourite.
really, it's so cool, isn't it?
I've got a bit of a rainbow
What do you
fetish,
think,
I think.
Right, so shall we
Let's
have a look at these then?
Scissors. Hang on, let me get some scissors. You can open it.
So let's have a look at these.
better not cut the actual carpet, had I?
So obviously we do have a set of these already, don't we?
We
Which
do,
have
and I
been
love
well
them.
road tested and are standing up extremely well to our abuse. But these ones might be something a little bit special.
You
mightn't
haven't
they?
seen these yet, have you?
No.
No. Right then. Are we ready for the big reveal?
Go on then. Oh,
Oh,
wow.
wow.
Look at that. Turn it
Oh,
round.
I need to turn it round.
Wow.
Oh, that's amazing.
That is incredible. Look at that. Oh,
well
that is
done.
fantastic. That is fantastic. Who picked white in the logo?
Good luck with that.
Oh, that's
playing well for that one.
absolutely
Oh, that's
amazing.
I have sprayed it with a Scotch guard, so you might be right for a bit.
We're going to have to keep.
Look at that. Look at the detail on that.
That's going to have to be a no dog in the van.
Yeah.
Like
Lucy Freeze
for
Scotch.
show only. What?
Can we keep the bag?
Yeah, we might need that.
Bag.
We might. They are absolutely stunning. So,
No, it should be fine. I'm sure it will clean up.
so as an example of how complex you can go, and no further, this is about it.
Doing it from the back is hard because you've got lots of little bits. You're trying to
Oh.
Look at these little windows, look, and the little wheels.
Let's have
That is
a close
so
look. That
cool.
really is amazing, isn't it?
Yeah.
Oh,
Brilliant. Thank you.
it's so
you're very
fantastic.
So much.
Yeah, thank
That's
you for
brilliant.
Well, it'd be good to see them in the van.
Mm.
that. Yeah.
Those bits there are for the side step, aren't they?
Yeah, they are. Sometimes people they want them to match their carpets with the same edging and things. But it also just it just protects the step and getting in and out. And they come with a sticky double-sided carpet tape underneath, so they stay in place. And some people have the camper name, up to about 6 letters. So we had Poppy on ours, and lots of different camper names. We get to know lots of different camper names, don't we? There's some good. Dora's very popular.
Ones, yeah.
Done
Dora
quite a few
the
Dora.
Explorer,
Yeah.
I was going to ask you what the most popular camper name is, because I bet you get to see them
Dora,
all, don't you?
yes.
I think Dora is probably the most popular, but we have had all sorts of funny ones.
Not so many Whipsies, but
No. Yeah.
The one and only.
We still get asked a lot of questions about that even now.
Yeah.
What does Whipsy mean then?
Yeah.
It's a beach, isn't it?
it's a
Street
beach.
baby
It's a beach.
Oh, your favourite
Yeah,
beach.
we're going there.
Yes.
That's what we were
Oh,
saying.
okay.
Yeah.
Other bits and pieces that you've got in the pipeline then, because you've started doing other
Behind
bits.
you.
Yes.
Bits
We
and bobs,
have.
haven't you?
Yes, well, we found.
Turn round here for a
We
second.
found that the normal size bunting that you buy is quite big for inside a camper van. So I made a mini bunting, which is just a smaller size, and we've just started making various different designs. So we've got 2 rainbow designs. We do a rainbow. This is our rainbow. We call this one Hippie at Heart because it's just got dream catchers and flowers and peace signs and turtles and things. We also have another rainbow one which has got more it's got both the campers, but it also has a mountain and a surfer and a cyclist, and we call that one On The Go.
Yeah.
So we've got 2 rainbow ones, and then we also got our camper ones. which I will show you. These are all packaged ready to go. I have to repackage this one. There you go.
Okay.
Oh, okay.
So you hold. These are a bit more subtle. I think I can hold that one. And they've got the campers.
Ah, okay. So
Nice.
couple of
So-
camper vans and then a VW logo.
Yeah, just. But they're just
Lovely.
very mini. They're only like 1m10. But they've got like stretchy hooks on the end, so if you don't get your
Perfect.
command
That's going to
hooks
be
in
about
exactly,
Perfect.
Perfect
it
size.
is.
Over
Yeah,
the,
it's
the
measured.
kitchen, isn't
Yeah,
it?
yeah, it is.
Perfect.
So it just gives you a little bit of personalisation, a little bit of fun, but it's not too in your face or it doesn't come down
Yeah.
too low.
Yeah.
And it's quite nice
Not
being
going to
able
set
to.
fire to it. whilst
Yeah,
you're
we
doing
print
it.
all these out, so it's quite fun coming up with all the different designs that
Yeah.
you can.
So are you going to do
Good,
custom
isn't it?
ones of those, or are you trying to stick to just
Well,
some
maybe
kind
one day. At the moment, we just
doing
started
some
doing it.
starter
So
ones.
yeah, we just got 6 different designs. We have camper black, camper. We have a dark green, white, and grey one, and we had a red, grey, and white one, and then there's a royal blue, grey, and white one, and then we have 2 different rainbow designs. Yes, but yeah, maybe one day we will end up
Fantastic.
doing.
And
Yeah.
you've got your cushion.
And you've got
campaigns
cu-
and
cush-
something.
cushions as well. Yeah, we.
Yeah, the cushion covers. We've got Hotel California, and then we do California Dreaming and California, which is perfect for the California.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, and then we've started to do just little fun things to hang around your van. So we've got like these macrame things are very popular. This rainbow one's very popular because it's just a little fun thing you can hang on the windscreen or hang it around the camper, and just to build, brighten it up a little bit. And then we're going to be doing key rings. We have sort of
I
various.
thought I saw these key
Yeah.
rings.
Yeah, we've got
Oh.
various different ones. We just had some daisy ones and some compass ones and various
It's a
They're lovely.
one-stop personalisation
It
shop in
is.
here, isn't it?
We're gradually getting more and more sort of fun things. Just to sort of tart up because it's fun, isn't it?
It
Especially
is,
in a
it
camper
is.
van.
Yeah, it's such a great space you've got here for doing all of the design and putting everything together as well, isn't it? It's just absolutely
Yeah, I have to
ideal.
say.
Really.
Absolutely.
We started off doing it in the garage, and so this space is brilliant now. It's like, it's clean. It's it's really good fun. And then we have the store next door where we store the stock carpets and all the other ones. So
Yeah.
it's a really good space now.
Great.
Yeah, we're
It's
loving
amazing. It's amazing. Well, thanks very much for showing us around. I'm sure all of our viewers are going to find this fascinating as well, because I'm absolutely certain that our viewers will have ordered carpets from you in the past, but they're probably going to order from you in the future as well. So it's always really interesting for them to see what happens in the background and how it comes to life.
We have got chatted to some really nice people. Camper people tend to be a really nice sort of group of people. So we've got friendly with quite some, lots of people, haven't we?
Yeah, it's lovely.
Brilliant. And I think,
Excellent.
Chris, you said that you had videoed Ali actually making some of these carpets. So I think we'll probably cut to that maybe now. And then you can have a watch and actually see how they're made as well. So.
Yeah.
also, if you would like some dinner mats, placemats, or maybe a carpet for your camper van, one of these wonderful split ones or a bigger one, basically pretty much whatever you fancy, with pretty much whatever you fancy designed actually on it, give Ali a shout. Or go to the website campervancarpets.com, and I'm sure she'll help you out with it, and you'll have the thought and knowledge that is being made here in this wonderful workshop just for you. So we'll see you next time for some more California time.